2014 Physics Paper 1, Part A, Section 1, Multiple Choice, Question 10. 2-point electric charges are separated by a certain distance and experience a force of repulsion F. So we're now reading and identifying. If the distance between them is reduced to 1/3, let's highlight that, of its previous value, and one of the charges is now doubled, what is the new force? We've read, we've identified, so let's draw. In the original situation, we have two charges like so. 2-point charges, they're separated by a certain distance r, and if this is Q1 and this is Q2, the force between those is given by Coulomb's law, K Q1 Q2 over r squared. Now that's our original situation, so we'll call that force 1. Now, if the distance between them is reduced to 1/3, so therefore this distance of separation is now 1/3. So let's mark that on our diagram here, which is r over 3. That's reduced the separation to 1/3, and one of the charges is now doubled. So let's double the first charge, keep the second charge the same. So our new force is also given by K times Q1. The first charge is twice Q1. Our second charge here, Q2, remains the same, and we divide that by the separation squared, r over 3 squared. Now it's a matter of multiplying out. So our top line becomes 2k Q1 Q2. Our bottom line becomes, now it becomes r over 3 squared. So over 3 becomes a 9th, r squared like so. So in this particular case, you'll note that this part here, K, Q1, Q2 and r squared, is our original force. Now 2 divided by a 9th is actually 18, and it's 18 times F1. So in this particular case, let's have a look through our particular answers, and one of our answers is there. So does that answer make sense? Let's go back and have a look at the question. The distance between them is reduced to 1/3. Reducing the distance to 1/3, bringing them closer together, is going to dramatically increase your force, because your force is proportional to 1 over r squared. If you reduce by 1/3, you multiply by a factor of 9, and if one of the charges is doubled, that will double the force. So a factor of 9 and a factor of 2 has a total factor increase of 18. Yes, that makes sense.